朋友们大家好，今天碰巧有机会去泰国曼谷的混凝土实验室检测混凝土的强度。现在呢，正好有个机会可以采访一下我们的工程经理，关于泰国质量控制有哪些方法和手段，以及怎么实际在工程中操作的。I believe some friends maybe want to know how in Thailand they control the quality, especially the concrete quality. So maybe people, you can share your experience and what do you think about this, about concrete control in Thailand, in Bangkok. See any special? So share your point.
Yes, for my experience about the quality control of concrete technology in Thailand. Normally we are doing on the real estate business, condominium construction. When we select the concrete, we must select on the top 5, top 6 of the concrete factory. Normally, concrete batching plant they have the system control by computer control and have engineering to calculate before put the system, put the data in program, computer program. It can make sure everything is followed, and especially the control by concrete testing like a strength test and a slump test. When we do the concrete pouring, every concrete truck we need to do the slump test. They have the QC team, they have the computer program, they have the standard system that we can make sure about okay this company can handle, and we can recheck, easy to recheck the paper and the on-site progress, everything we can check step by step.
Yeah, it's a big company, the commercial, the concrete supply company. Definitely, they have good control.
Yes.
So this is, I believe the big company, they have a good management system. So it's better if you are a developer, you use the top concrete supplier. So, but here we are not promote any company specifically. We maybe come back to the regulation point of view. See Thailand, how the building regulation and the concrete regulation require the contractor to do, the concrete supplier to follow, to make sure, guarantee the concrete is satisfied, the strong satisfy the design requirement, and also the construction process satisfied with the basic safety requirement.
The government in Thailand now they control, the first thing they control the environment, okay, the dust, the noise. Normally in the concrete truck is the big, but the Bangkok roads is a very traffic jam. They set up the time like daytime from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The concrete truck cannot driving in the center of Bangkok like this. It's a one-off problem that we need the big concrete company can clear this problem with government and can handle the time.
Thailand government, I know, very sensitive in the construction side. So push the developer and contractor, you follow the environmental production. Actually, in Thailand, have a strict requirement as well on the construction process and on the building material. You know, rebar, the concrete. So the rebar must do test and the concrete must do test. Could you give more detail on the building code and the regulation?
Normally for Thai engineer, we study in university. Every Thai engineer in Thailand, we follow the EAT standard. We use the international standard like ASTM and concrete technology from America to control every code from them. Like before putting concrete, we just check the aggregate, sand, water, including the test system, concrete sampling, strength test, like slump test also. Everything we have the system. Okay, cannot think by ourselves. No, cannot. Your engineer must follow the EAT course. We are in Thailand. We follow the international standard.
When we do the inspection, so have the standard code to follow. It's just like the other countries in China, and even US or whatever. I believe that Thailand copy the same system. This is the same. Just in a building regulation point of view, similar, right?
Yes.